Imagine a device so powerful it blurs the line between a laptop, a tablet, and even a desktop workstation. That's exactly what Apple seems to be aiming for with the upcoming iPad Pro M5. This isn't just another routine refresh, it could be the most important iPad in Apple's history. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far design. Performance, cameras, software, pricing, and why the M5 might finally be the iPad that places your laptop once and for all. The design is where Apple's obsession with minimalism continues to shine. The M5 is rumored to come in 11.5-inch and 13.5-inch sizes. With bezels so thin, you'll wonder how Apple managed to squeeze in the display. Imagine working on a digital canvas that feels endless, yet still slips into your backpack. And yes, the tandem OLED technology from the M4 is back to old panels stacked together for brightness, efficiency, and jaw-dropping color accuracy. Think rich blacks, HDR brilliance, and buttery smooth refresh rates that adapt as you work or binge shows. Designers, video editors, even casual artists with the Apple Pencil. This is basically a pro-grade monitor in tablet form. Honestly, if you're still using your tablet just to watch cat videos, the M5 might make you feel guilty for not doing more. Now let's talk power because this is where things get wild. The M5 chip is rumored to bring a 10-core CPU and 12-core GPU, delivering a 25 to 30% boost over the M4. Translation. This thing won't just beat tablets. It could outperform many laptops on the market. Think 3D modeling, AR development, Final Cut Pro video editing, or even high-end gaming all on a tablet that lasts all day on a single charge. And with an upgraded neural engine, AI tasks like real-time translation, live transcription, or smart photo edits will run smoother than ever. Apple isn't just building a tablet here, it's building the AI hub of your digital life. Here's the game changer. The M5 iPad Pro is expected to start with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, baseline. And if that's not enough, higher storage models could push up to 24 gigabytes of RAM, numbers that make some MacBooks jealous. Why does this matter? Because with iPadOS 26, multitasking is about to level up. Picture running Photoshop with a massive layered project, editing a 4K video timeline in Final Cut Pro, referencing research in Safari, and chatting on Zoom all at once without slowdowns. Add external monitor support with true extended displays, and suddenly, this isn't a tablet experience anymore. This is your main computer. Tablets aren't known for cameras, but the dual front cameras rumored for the M5 could fix one of the iPad's longest-running headaches: video calls. Whether you're in portrait or landscape, the camera will adjust to keep eye contact natural. Perfect for FaceTime, Zoom classes, or live streaming. And on the back, expect better LiDAR and low-light performance, making the iPad more useful for AR and creative workflows. No, it won't replace your iPhone, but it will finally stop making you look like you're staring off into space during meetings. Now, the big question: price. Rumors suggest the 11.5-inch model could start around $1,099, while the 13.5-inch version might hit $1,299. Expensive? Definitely. But Apple seems committed to keeping the M5 within reach of professionals, students and creatives who need serious power. And let's not forget the bigger picture. The iPad Pro M5 isn't just a standalone device, it's part of the Apple ecosystem, with handoff, universal clipboard, and sidecar. It'll work seamlessly with your iPhone and Mac. Apple wants this to be the centerpiece of your workflow, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move. So, is the iPad Pro M5 just another iPad? Not even close. If even half these leaks are true, this device won't just upgrade the iPad, we'll redefine what we expect from tablets altogether. Slimmer, brighter, more powerful, and smarter than ever, the M5 could finally be the iPad that truly replaces your laptop. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you consider switching your laptop for the iPad Pro M5? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the videos linked on your screen for more deep dives into Apple's upcoming devices. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's next.